Space. It's vast, mysterious, and full of wonders that stretch beyond our wildest imaginations. But have you ever wondered how our very own solar system, the sun, the planets, and everything in between, came to be? Well, buckle up, because today we're taking a journey back in time to uncover the incredible story of how the solar system was born. The formation of the solar system. About 4.6 billion years ago, our solar system began as a massive cloud of gas and dust, known as the solar nebula. This cloud was a swirling mix of hydrogen, helium, and traces of heavier elements, leftovers from ancient stars that had exploded long before. But how did this cold, dark cloud become the bustling solar system we know today? It all started with a shockwave, most likely from a nearby supernova, that caused the solar nebula to collapse in on itself. As the cloud collapsed, gravity pulled most of the material toward the center. This created intense pressure and heat, and after millions of years, the core ignited, sparking the birth of our sun, the star that powers the entire solar system. While the sun was forming at the center, the remaining material, dust and gas, began to flatten into a rotating disk around it. This is where the real magic happens. Within this spinning disk, tiny particles started to collide and stick together, forming larger and larger clumps. These clumps grew over time to become planetesimals, essentially baby planets. In the inner regions of the disk, where it was hotter, rocky planetesimals formed. These would eventually become the terrestrial planets we know today: Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. Farther out, where it was colder, ices and gases were abundant. Here, massive planetesimals formed, eventually growing into the gas giants, Jupiter and Saturn, and the ice giants, Uranus and Neptune. As the planets formed, much of the leftover debris in the disk either fell into the sun, was flung out into deep space, or gathered into smaller bodies like asteroids and comets. Some of this material still orbits the sun today, forming the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter, and the icy Kuiper belt beyond Neptune. Among the planets, Earth was a special case. Its position in the Goldilocks zone, not too hot and not too cold, allowed liquid water to exist on its surface. This set the stage for the development of life as we know it. And after billions of years of evolution, here we are, looking up at the stars and wondering how it all came to be. From a simple cloud of gas and dust to the incredible solar system we call home, the story of our cosmic origins is one of chance, chaos, and beauty. And we've only just begun to scratch the surface of what lies out there. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this journey through space, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more adventures into the universe.